Hello there, it's Alexander here from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some styling tips on one of the new styles from the range Amore. So today I'm going to be working with Reed in Rose Gold R. So Rose Gold it's a stunning colour. It's a lot of different kind of warmer tones and a mix of blondes, and the R stands for a root. So it really is beautiful. So I've demonstrated Reed before, and just spoken about Reed. Now she's lovely, really gorgeous layered style, framing the face around the front. I love, love, love all of this. The double monofilament makes it lay really flat. And then we've got all this lovely length through the back, super soft and nice longish layers. I'm gonna make Reed into a bob without any scissors. Yes, without any scissors. So if you've ever wanted to, I don't know, you've got a wig at home and you just wanted to have it up in a little 20s kind of Coco Chanel kind of style bob, but you don't want to cut it or you don't want to buy a wig, this is what you do. I've just taken that into a little pony. I look at the nape as well. I always look at the nape when I'm styling to make sure that that's not lifting. So I'm just going to make that pony a little bit lower. So I've got this black hair elastic. So this hair elastic is the tougher one out the two. So I mean, you can pick these up anywhere, but make sure whenever you are putting ponies or anything in your hair that you use proper hair elastics and hair ties, and because they are designed not to damage. Then I've got one of these little clear elastics, which are a bit more delicate. So I'm just gonna push this one towards the bottom of the hair, so you can see. So we've got one pony, two pony. Just put another, like one just in the middle. And this is just to secure it really. By turning her round and having a look at what we see here, we start seeing how the bob would look. So then what you can do is just see if that is the right shape for you. For me, that's just a little bit too short. I want to have some length there. So you test it, you look and you see what's what, but that was a bit short. So the main elastic, which we did, if you remember, the tough black one, I'm just gonna roll that down. Just roll down my fingers. Can you see? Okay, so, and don't worry too much about this one or this one. These are just to stop the ends flying away. So then, see what I'm doing here, look? Separating that with my fingers. See, just taking it out just slightly. So ahead of time, I have my bobby pins ready to do what I need to do. So then I just take this little tail, and I'm just going to wrap her up like so. Do you see? So we start getting that nice bob shape. And the funny thing is, because you've got all the hair at the bottom underneath, that gives it that kind of lovely fullness that you get from a bob. I've got bobby pin, and because you have all of the bands already in, you're halfway there. I mean, it doesn't really matter, ladies and gentlemen, how many bobby pins that you put in, because they're all underneath, so they're not going to get seen. I just want you to, pull a bit of hair from the bands. What I'm going to do is use this as a reference and just clean this up just a fraction. In like so. Just play with it. Just play and just see, because every wig or hairstyle will react differently to a fox bob. When I put the bobby pins in, what I'm doing is I'm just literally putting the bobby pins all back into that band. You see how that bob shape's just coming together really nice, really, really nice. Just coming to the end and then adding the finishing touches to our little fake bob, which is called a fox bob. not spelt fox as in the animal, spelt F-A-U-X. And there it is. So a long-haired wig that we've turned into a nice bob. Now, if you can see, with Reed, the beauty of Reed anyway is Reed had these layers around the front. That was part of the design. So I left the layers out in the front, and then just the final little pieces of hair, I just tucked underneath. You know, I just tucked underneath, little with the tail comb, the bamboo tail comb, which is amazing. And then I just worked it. You know, worked it through. A little bit of practice makes perfect. But I mean, how effective is that? You know, very, very, very effective. Looks really great. And it gives you that kind of nice, you know, you can pull it out a little bit if you want. Pull some of the shape out like that. That nice, effective, strong bob shape, you know, which looks just amazing. And then because it's layered at the front, you know, it just looks fantastic. So that, ladies and gentlemen, was my fake bob demonstration, the Fox Bob, with Reed in rose gold R. So when you take Reed back out, she's going to be lovely, long and layered. So if you find, ladies and gentlemen, if you have a long wig at home, or you've always been wearing kind of long wigs and you're kind of thinking about having a bob or going a bit shorter, please try my technique. Have a little play with it, see how you get on, try a bob. You might wear it, think it was a lot of fun, but you're going back to the long styles, or it might be the best thing you ever did. So let me know how you get on. Please, you can send us pictures or direct messages. And yeah, it's been great to have you with me today. My name's Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. As always, follow us on all social media, and we'll see you next time. Catch you later. Cheers. Bye-bye now.